you also want to think about what is causing the bloating, of course. One of the most common reasons is a lactose intolerance. So we really want to think about dairy. And by the way, this can occur at any age. You may have been fine with dairy, all of a sudden you're not. So if bloating comes on all of a sudden, for 5 days, cut out all dairy, see what happens. Gluten is another big culprit. Gluten, which we know is a protein in wheat. Celiac, we know, is very common these days. So those are probably the two most common things, but there are a lot of more general foods that people may not realize are causing bloating. Sugar-free candies and gums, people are trying to cut calories, they go for sugar-free. Actually, this contains something called sorbitol, which you don't digest very well. It's going to produce a lot of gas in there. So cut those out if you have some sort of bloating issue.
Yeah, whenever they take something out, they're replacing it with something
There's
that's
always
not
another
as good for you.
effect.
Exactly.
The more processed food, the more they have to process foods and touch your food, the worse it is.
Eat real,
for
eat
you.
whole. I
Absolutely
mean,
right.
if you want to have the cheese or the gluten or whatever, fine. But don't buy fake of all those
Right.
things. It makes it
Exactly.
even worse.
Because those
Right.
artificial things are going to cause
Right.
problems, right? These are, of course, very natural and healthy foods, but these in particular can cause a lot of bloating. We're talking about the cruciferous vegetables, the beans. These are things that are so good for you, but if you have a bloating issue, you might want to keep it in moderation or slowly introduce it into your diet. Don't all of a sudden, you were talking about eat lots of vegetables, it's great, but if you do it all of a sudden, you might have a lot of bloating issues right off the bat. So you want to be careful with these.